valmis end sead. Su hoolikas make-up ja peidetud viimsedki vead. Ja siis sa küsid, kas ma näen välja hea. Ma vastan kallis, kõik on täpselt nii kui peab. Ja ees nüüd lahkumine, kas tõesti loodad sa, et õnn on igavene? Las meeldiv mälestus meil möödunud päevist jääb, sest lahkuda ju saab ka sõpradena armas. Seepärast naerata nüüd jälle sa. Naerata nagu eile armas, pisarad kuivata. Naerata, õnn ei ole kaugel, kui hinges on üksindus ja südames igatsus, siis möödunud õnne meenuta. Naerata, naerata. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can you see you belong to me? How my poor heart aches with every step you take, and every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I'll be watching you. Külmutas ja taivas sadas lumma. Ütle mulle oma telefoninumber. Tänan külmuta ja taivas sadas lumma. Ütle mulle oma telefoninumber. Õhuga susse lämprunts on tumma. Ütle mulle oma telefoninumber. When I heard that sound and the walls came down, I was thinking about you, about you. When my skin grows old, when my breath runs cold, I'll be thinking about you, about you. Seconds from my heart, bullet from the dark. Helpless I surrender, shackled by your love. Holding me like this, a poison on your lips. Only when it's over, silence hits so hard. 'Cause it was almost love, it was almost love. It was almost love, it was almost love. When I heard that sound, when the walls came down, I was thinking about you, ooh, about you. When my skin grows old, when my breath runs cold, I'll be thinking about you, ooh, about you. When I run out of air to breathe, it's your ghost I see. I'll be thinking about you, about you. 'Cause it was almost love, it was almost love. We'll bleed ourselves in vain. Tragic is this game. Turn around, I'm holding on to someone, but the love is gone. Kaks tüdrukut lähevad puiestee tänaval, aega on palju, nad jõuavad küll. Kus te küll käisite, kellega laulsite, ilusad tüdrukud, silmad täis tuld. Mispärast ometi mööda must läksite, kõpsumas kingad ja järel teil tuul. Ma olen viimastel päevadel halvasti tundnud, en mul pole öösiti und. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep, there's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what it means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Baby, if I told you that all is wrong and bad, I'd be just like the rest. And if I showed you the whole wide world and how it is all a big mess, with angels falling and sirens calling and towns will crumble and crushed, Lights are fading now, colors graying out. It'll all turn to dust, but I'll stay here with you, my love. If you give a little love to me, put a bit of trust in me, I will build us a home where we sleep on a balcony, watch a bit of GOT, and we won't feel alone. Yes, I will build us a home. Loving can hurt, loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes were never closed and hearts were never broken and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal, and loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. Swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you,